Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in. I have a Stitch Fix. I think this is 82. Doing it old school today because I'll try them on later. Here, let me get this first part filmed. So you get your USPS return mailer. Anything you don't love, you send back in that mailer. And then you get your little envelope here, which has your style card, your style note, your items. And then this here is your invoice. I just want to give a sneak peek that this is 82. So I'm not going to look at those. I usually look at that at try on. So here's the box. Let's get rid of that. I think I'm going to... Let's just... Maybe I can do it from my lap. I don't know. I'm trying to think the best way to do this. Just to show you real fast everything. From Market and Spruce, I have Elaine Pocket Short Sleeve Tee, Olive Medium Petite. V-neck, no, scoop neck tee, obviously short sleeves. You know, rounded hemline. It is the stretchy material that I don't love. Rayon spandex, medium petite, which I don't love. But I like the color. I love olive. Has a pocket. Just gonna try to fold that nicely. T-shirt box. Here's the another one. This is from Threads for Thought, Maggie Comfort Jersey Cropped Tee, blush medium. Right here. So this is a scoop neck. It looks like there's like distressing around the collar, the way they cut it. Oh, they actually cut the sleeves too. They're cut. And then the crop is cut. Is there a pocket? There is a chest pocket. Nice. Cute color. You know, back. Just plain t-shirt. Hopefully that's not expensive. What are we? Oh, I don't like the feel of this. Beacon Syoban hand crew neck tee, pink medium petite. Oh, I definitely don't like this material. Whatever this is. Ooh, it's like slinky. Cute little tee. The sleeves are way too long. I'm not going to like them. Straight bottom. Let me see this material. This is not good material. Poly spandex again, but it's shiny and slick. It's a pretty color, but no, I don't like that material. Let's see what you are. Oh, no. No. Studio Blue, Carmen Easy Short Light Green, a size 8. Short shorts, they're a no. I won't even try these on. They're going to be too, unless I put them over my leggings, they're going to be up at my crotch. Cute, but no. On that. Okay, last pair. Oh, not another pair. Come on, Stitch Fix. G Blue, Whitley Short, Indigo, size 8. I don't know. Oh, there's tissue paper in here. I don't know why. I mean, I would never wear them. One, there's distressing. I don't like all that on there. Ugh. I mean, the distressing is almost nothing. You can see a little bit on the back pockets. Oh, I don't like them at all. Now, let me put this tissue paper. I am not trying them on. They're going to be too short. They're going to be all the way up. And I'm just not doing that. So maybe I will. I'm not going to try them on. They're going straight back. Maybe I will just try the tops on now then. I figured I'll do this later. I didn't have time to try. Just threw that across the room. But I'm not even going to try these on because they're going to be way at the top of my thigh. I'm just not doing it. So let me reposition everything and I'll try these few items on then. Be right back with you. Okay, just opening all this stuff up. Put the first... Okay, I have a new stylus. Catty, C-A-T-I. Not good, girlfriend. So this is from Beacon. Crew neck tee, pink, medium tee, $39. I don't like the length of the sleeve. I mean, it's okay. I think it would bug me. It's too, like, it's right at the crease of your arm. The fit is, you know, it's stretchy for sure. The fit's okay. I mean, I have leggings on today. Shows a little bit of the lumps and the bumps, which I don't think any of us want to see. You can see bra marks and things like that. So this, I'm going to say no to. And let's give this crop one a shot. Okay, Threads for Thought, Maggie Comfort Jersey crop top in blush medium, $35. Now, for a cut-up t-shirt, I can cut up my own t-shirts. I mean, it's comfortable, it's cute. I don't know if it would roll. The ends would roll. It's not me. It's a little too sloppy for me, if you get my drift. I don't mind the crop. The length would be perfect. Probably not for leggings, because it comes to the top of my legs, which I'm fine with that. But with shorts in the summertime, I'm not wearing leggings in the summer. I mean, we've been in like the 40s and 50s. We're going to start to warm up this week, but like all my shorts are brought to the front of my closet, and all my t-shirts and things like that, like leggings and jeans, they're all to the back. I kept 2 pair of leggings out just in case. So I would say this would be perfect with shorts, but I'm not paying, I don't know if I want to pay $35. Like, I can go to Target or Walmart and cut up a shirt just like this and make it whatever length I want. So I'm not sure on this one. I think this might be a miss. I don't like this material whatsoever, this stretchy material, but I will try this one on from Market and Spruce. So, olive green, Market and Spruce, Elaine pocket short sleeve tee, olive medium tee, $29. All right, that's a little bit better. I'm not a fan of the material, but it's cute. Like, if anything, I like this one. I just don't know if, for me, it might be too long with shorts. Like, with shorts, I like the length of this. So you can see how much longer the green is. Like, it's too much in the front. If this was a straight bottom in a heartbeat, I just don't know. Because of the material, I'm not going to wear it. I know I won't. This is the rayon spandex. I know I won't wear this. And with leggings, it's fine. But I won't wear leggings again until the fall. So, and am I wearing a t-shirt in the fall? I wear shorts all summer long. Nothing but shorts, shorts, and shorts. Even on a cool day, I'll still have shorts on. I'll have a t-shirt on. I might put a jacket on. A fleece jacket. Some sort of hoodie, something like that. A zip up. I won't necessarily put long pants on, because then it's too warm. It's very humid here in Pennsylvania. So while this is cute, and I do like this, and I love olive, it's such a great neutral color. I don't know. I'm going to think about this one. I'm actually going to think about this too, because I really do like this. I just don't know if it's worth the price, if I'm honest. So, I'm not going to come back with final thoughts, because I'm not trying either pair of shorts on. This is a big no. I'll tell you this right now. I don't mind the color. Hot pink, I don't mind it at all. I don't like the material. It's too slinky and silky feeling, and I'm not necessarily a fan of the longer sleeve. I do kind of like this. I love the color. I love the theory of it. I'm just not sure on the price point, $35. And I do like this. This is $29. The fit is good. I mean, you know, there is room. There is stretch. I just, you know, we'll have to see. I'm not sure. So I'll wait for your opinions on this one. So it's basically 2 tops. And the shorts are no, they're going to be, I tried 1 pair on. I took my leggings off. And they're like all the way, here's the top of my legs. Okay? Top of my legs. They're like right here. I'm like, come on, I'm going to be 63 years old. I don't wear shorts like that. I never did, even when I was 18, 20, in my 20s. I never wore shorts. You know, they were down my leg a little bit. I am a modest person. I always have been. So if that's your style, wonderful. They're cute shorts, but I'm not trying them on. Just, I can't. So let me know your thoughts on this. I'll wait to hear back from all of you. Expensive box. Oh, no, not really. Stylist sub-picks subtotal is $210. Buy all 25% off. I'd say $52.50. Box is $157.50. That's really not that bad. The shorts are bust. And that hot pink t-shirt is a no. But these 2 tops are a possibility. You know, by the time you're done, 2 tops for, you know, what's that be, $65? That's a lot. Like, I'm bulking and spending $58 on a pair of shorts that I kept from the previous box. I'm like, oh, but they're bottoms that I will get way more use out of. And I'll have them a lot longer. Things like this, a season or 2, you know, shorts I could have for 10 years, as long as the sizing is fine. And I can always put a belt on if they get a little loose. I have a few pair from last year that are a little loose. I'll put a belt on. You know, it's not the end of the world, but, you know, t-shirts and tops, you know, usually season to season, if I haven't worn it a lot, I donate it. So, these don't stick around too long, but, you know, they will last. They're good quality tops. T-shirt, I'm not so sure about. So, let me know your thoughts. I thank you for staying till the end with me today, and for the short try-on, for the no short try-on, I should say. And have a good day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.